Guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a check on the charts before you can follow up with these analysis. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay, guys, this is GainX 1200. This actually started an uptrend right now, which came to an end at this resistance zone, and of course, guys, since it's unable to break up from there, it started a downtrend, gave us a downtrend signal and a sell signal, and it started selling. And of course, guys, it just broke out below this particular support zone to give us more selling opportunity. Okay, and this is still selling. Remember, we are on 15-minute time frame, and I'm still using the 3M trend car trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. Okay, so this has actually got into this region. If it breaks out below this support zone, it's going to sell more. If it does not, it will go back on buy trend. But wait for the signal before you can say if it will go back into a buy trend. But for now, it is still selling. Okay. Next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. Okay, guys, this is GainX 999. They started the downtrend right from this resistance zone, and it has been selling. Okay, so it got to this support region, and it had a pullback, and it tried it out again, still had another pullback. If it breaks out above here, then it's going to buy more. Okay, but if it does not, it will try out the support zone again and see if it will break out below it. If it breaks out below this, then it's going to sell more. Okay, so we should watch out for that. Okay, so let's wait for the breakout, guys. Let's wait for the breakout. So guys, next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. This is Paynex 1200. This started an uptrend right from this support zone, and it got to this resistance zone, wasn't able to break out above it. So it started a downtrend right from there, gave us a sell signal and a downtrend signal around there. So it sold till it got to this particular support zone again. Okay, so it has not been able to break out below it, but it is still selling. If it breaks out below it, it's going to sell more, but if it does not, it will go back on buy trend. So we should watch out for that. Okay, this is still selling until it is unable to break out below that support zone. Next asset is going to be Paynex 999. This is Paynex 999. Right from this resistance, we started a downtrend which got to this support zone, bought for a while, and of course it's going back down again. If it breaks out below that support zone, it's going to sell more, but if it does not, it's going to go back on uptrend and try to break out above this resistance zone. Okay, so we should watch out for that, but for now this is still selling until it is unable to break out below the support zone. Okay, the last asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80. This had been on downtrend for a while, but it has gotten to this support zone. It has not been able to break out from there. So I expect this to buy more if it's unable to break out from there. So if it should break out above this trend line, then definitely it's going to buy more, and I expect it to get to this region first. And if it breaks out above this, then it should get to this particular spot, and if it breaks out above this, then we should be checking out the next resistance zone. So we expect more of a buying opportunity if all that happens. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a follow right now? Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.